How are you doing? Leo nimesema niwatembeze huku Uhuru Park, nionyeshe vile kunakaa. As you can see, it was recently open to the public and I want to show you the things you can do in here. Nimeingililia hii gate A. So there are two gates. One gate is from that side of Haile Selassie. That is gate B. And we have another gate hii side ya Valley Road. So Valley Road, there is another gate. So it's gate A. So I will take you through inside here. I show you the things you can do, the things you cannot do. If you are self-driving, first thing is that there is no parking available through gate A. So if you have a car and you want to self-drive yourself and park inside here, you have to go through gate B. And you have to follow the Haile Selassie Avenue. So you use that other side. So once you get in through, you can show them gate A there. So once you get in through this gate, you have to have your ID. You have to carry your ID or your passport if you are not a Kenyan. So at the entrance here, there are some security guards who will be asking you for this information. If you have it, they let you in. If you don't have it, then you need to go and get it. And then for your information, it doesn't have to be a physical copy. You can have your ID on your phone or scanned, and then they'll just confirm that it is actually you. And then it is free for you to come in. So come in with me and we see what is in here for you when you come here to visit next time. So ukishaingia from the gate, hii nimesema ndio the main parking area, hii ndio the main entrance. So nitaenda niwaonyeshe the various activities you can do, but remember Uhuru Park has not changed. They are the traditional stuff that used to be here during the early days when kids were brought here for boat riding, you know, for other toy games. So no problem, I'll show you around, but there are definitely some other additionals. As you can see here, there are so many people who have never seen an aircraft, so they have been given an opportunity to have it here, to see it, and to touch it. Definitely, it is one that is old. It is not functional anymore. But, you know, for kids, this is a big deal. They can come here, they pose for a photo. I think there is one door that is open. People can actually get in there and see how it looks inside. And then you can also touch it and then say that you have ever once come across an aeroplane. So that is one of the things that happen here. And then ukiingia hapa to my left, there is a nice restaurant. So ukikuja hapa utaona kuna nice restaurant. Today is on a Sunday, so it might not be open. So this is the restaurant. So as you chill from up there, you have a very beautiful view of town and the tall buildings right from here. So that is one thing that you can come here and do. And I think it would be very, very exciting for you to come and just experience. And imagine, you know, this is just a very nice green garden for anyone who wants to be in town. So maybe you have come to do your business in town in Nairobi, and then you need to wait maybe for 1 or 2 hours as you get your affairs finalized. So you can come and chill around here as you wait for the things to be done in town. Some people decide to go and sit along the street, which is a bit, you know, tiresome, but I would prefer to come and just hang around here. So let's go to the next step and I show you what else you can do. So apart from the restaurant and the aircraft that I have shown you, you can see also there is a classic bus here. I think these were the cars that used to transport people back then, like a century ago. So it's just here like a monument, like, you know, a historic thing that people can come here and just and enjoy watching and seeing it. So hii area ya chini sasa ndipo kuna happening events. Unaona hapa kuna hizi zinakaa kama, I don't know how I can design them, but zinakaa kama cones or something. Hizi vitu ndizo watu wa hii area ndio kunafanyikanga events, kama kuna hizo festivals nini, zote zina happening hapa. So on the area of the garden, huku kuna greens. It seems not very well kept, maybe because of the heavy rains that have been happening. But hopefully when this is finally concluded, it will look much better and people can come and sit around here on the grass and feel at home. So we will walk around with you and then I'll show you other things you can do. As I have mentioned, it is always free to come here at Uhuru Park. It is free. So all the views that you are enjoying here is that you can do this for free. One other thing is, yeah, it is not allowed to have to take photos or videos using your camera. So you can only use your phone. So that's why today I'm using my phone, because it is prohibited to do this using a camera without the permit or the license. So let us just walk around and see how this place look like. So one thing that is clearly evident is that this is a very nice place for picnic and for relaxing. So if you have kids who want a free space to just come and run around and, spoil themselves without the fear of getting very dirty, this is a very nice place. As you can also see, the aquariums or the water spaces are fully functional and very well designed, as it has always been. But in my view, this place is not yet fully opened, because we cannot see the boats, and also we cannot see so many other services that are offered for kids. But I suspect on that other end where we are going, near Haile Selassie side or near Gate B, I can see some few areas where kids can do jumping and stuff. So I want to see whether it is open and whether you can come and bring your kids here. But in general, this is a very nice place for picnic. I think it's free to come in with your food. You can come and put down your lesson there with your family, enjoy the meal when it is a bit sunny, not like today when it is very cold. So as I told you guys, there are so many monuments like these ones. This is a what? This is a giraffe. There is a small giraffe there that has also been designed. So there are so many things like this you can do. You can see and take photos. On that side, I can see the warthogs, an ostrich, a buffalo there. So they have done a lot of this type of designs representing the various animals that you can see in the Kenyan national parks. So a lot of things to see around. So let us go there where we have a fountain. Then we go to the kids zone, and then we'll exit through the other gate, so that you can also have an experience of the full length of the Uhuru Park designed recently.